Catch this race real quick. These guys left us. Dang, dude. Come straight, man. Too slow, bro. Man ain't easy enough. He's going all in, dude. We're testing our power steering, our rack and pinion. What happened?
Yo, they cut out third gear. Let's go, get it.
One. All right, let's go. 1, 2, go. No, come. Quick. Damn, come on. What's up, brother?
What's up, boss?
What's up, boss? Checking.
We're gonna probably we'll just let it roll back and then we'll put it right here. Yeah,
What's inside of it?
K-Series.
K-Series. We're gonna finish up the all-wheel drive system on it for you.
Say that one more time?
We're gonna finish up the all-wheel drive kit?
Yeah.
Or, okay, what you got down to so far?
I did the K&D all-wheel drive trailing arms in the back.
Yeah.
And then I put the Hub City Performance rear diff
mount.
kit.
Yeah.
And but to be honest, I might change that. I might go with y'all kit. To be honest, like I want to talk to y'all a little bit about it.
Yeah, well, let's get up in the air, check it out, see what's going on.
I appreciate it.
Raining out there. But what we're doing the drive shaft, or what we're doing?
Y'all gonna do everything.
Everything?
The welding and everything on it.
Okay. It's raining out here. I'm gonna shut off recording right now because it's raining and all that stuff. What's up, brother? You good? Yeah.
Brand new bearing. Yeah, because there's no that bearing's no good. You're not getting a new one because you didn't put anything in between it. I mean, I put the axle.
But
it's still in between it. But was it tightened? I mean, it was all tightened. I made sure before I towed it to tighten axles and everything. But when I was towing it back, so I don't know if it's a defect of this part because the guy that sold me the trailing arms, they weren't like being used. Like he was selling them, but like nobody had them. Like when they go off in.
Hold on, my bad. I was letting you do the thing so you can handle your stuff. Alright, I need to buy me some.
What you want to buy?
So alright.
You got a drag?
Real quick.
What do you mean?
I can use this on my car even though I don't have an all-wheel drive setup. Right?
Yeah, right now.
All I gotta do is put the fake. I gotta get this with it.
This is not fake, man. This is
I mean,
the real
not
deal.
the fake, like the fake axle, because I'm not gonna have a rear
It's
axle.
fake.
But I'm saying, all I gotta do is get that piece.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So do I buy that, or do you guys have that?
We have it there. I mean, you know, if you get it, I'll throw it in for you.
Okay.
Just on this here, on your stock one, you just have to get a longer bolt.
Okay.
Make sure you get a longer. We don't have it.
Can we drop a car off? No, he's picking up
It's the
arms.
same size. Just take yours out. Take yours out and just tell me I want it a little bit longer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So.
Thanks so much, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Bless.
Have a great one,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Be safe.
Yeah,
Got our Alpha drag arms bolted up here on a customer's car. Lower control arms, billet fork, and the camber kit as well. The customer came in, asked us to finish up a kit that he had bought from someone else, and you know, we don't discriminate. We tried to help him as best as we can, obviously. We're gonna finish up the diff mount for him, and then this is what it initially came in with. And he was having some problems with the bearings and just some like weird bearing problems, but he really liked the fact that he just liked the look, and he liked the fact that our arms keep the lower control arm straight and then don't push all the pressure on the top of the coil, because when he was putting them in, I guess he's saying, you know, there's like a lot of pressure to push them in sideways. So as you can see here, some other people, they use this to get axle clearance. So this arm is actually a little longer over here at this section, and you can see that it's pushed backwards so that they get clearance. And we just do it a different way, that's all. But we try to keep the geometry a little straight, so you know, more of a straight line and a straight coil geometry too, so that the coil's not pushed backwards as well. But like I said, you know, we're not here to pick and choose. The customer can, you know, choose how to build their cars how they want. We're just here to help. So we're gonna get this car finished up. I believe he's using our drive shaft. We're gonna get his arms situated for him. I'm gonna do this front bar. Like I said, this is not our kit, so we're gonna just use the other company's bar in the front and just put it in the way that they want it to be put in. But they have just a square tube front bar that we're gonna finish up and get everything situated here for him.
All right, cool. This is what came with it, so just gonna tack it up and then take it over to his welding station to weld. These are the plates that came with it, so that's gonna go right here after. So just gonna take it out so you can fully weld it, because you really can't reach the top. So it doesn't have a cover plate on this. So usually we cut all right here and brace it up. That's it. All welded up now. You did a good job. This is what came with the kit. But yep, it's up. All right, guys, check it out. We dropped our lower control arms on here. Billet forks, drag arms. So now you can see. Customer wanted to keep it straight, so kept it straight. And because of our billet forks with an angle, it comes up here, keeps everything straight, the straight geometry of how it came stock from the factory. So there's no really binding, you know. You guys saw when this was pushed over, that caused the suspension to kind of like cock. So now everything is back to normal. Everything's fine. It's in there. So yep. Next we're gonna be doing the drive shaft on this. Just show you guys the finished product here. We welded it up. This is what came with the stiff mount kit that the customer had. So everything's in. Came to pick up the green machine.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? What's up, Pops? Come on, Pops. You wanna check the shop out?
Come on, man, I'll do that.
This is Pops.
Yeah.
Oh, how you doing?
Yeah. See, it doesn't. No shake. Good. It's in there.
Oh, this is.
And this is straight. This is Dad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He's in there.
Okay, okay.
So everything that's against the dry shaft?
The dry shaft, yeah. The dry shaft. It's going to be about a month until we get. I figure about a couple more weeks until we get our viscous.
Yeah.
And then a couple weeks for them to make the whole thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chad's new whip.
Hey, so we have a couple small announcements, maybe big to some people. So we got a CRV. We're gonna do a CRV together in the shop, like a little bit of like a lifted build, instead of all the usual car stuff that everyone sees every day. And you know, it's gonna consist of 2000 CRV that we have purchased automatic and diesel series, 100% stock automatic. We're gonna show you guys how to convert it to all-wheel drive from front-wheel drive. We're gonna show you guys how to make it manual from automatic, and for all the CRV people, we're gonna show you guys all that stuff. So it's gonna be a fun little build. Hopefully a lot quicker of a experience too. I'm gonna try to do one thing every single week. So we'll try to have like a video about it every week, kind of get the build going fast. We are going to eventually, after it's all-wheel drive, lifted and manual, we're gonna turbo it as well. And we got some other news that you guys are about to see. First time you're gonna hear about this now. Camber kits and tow kits for the CRV, first generation, up to 2001 CRV. We're gonna now offer them. They're gonna be on the website soon. They've been checked and tested and aligned on this CRV right now, and we're gonna show you guys a little later up in the air what they look like. But yeah, camber kit and our tow kit for the rear of the CRV up to 2001. And possibly maybe one or two little other parts to come, but we'll see what happens in the build. Nice. And that's it, yep. So if you guys are CRV people or you're interested in something different other than cars, yeah, hopefully we're gonna do like a little basically lifted, maybe 300 horse, 400 horsepower CRV, all-wheel drive. Cool. I'm doing it anyway, so.
Nothing. Camber off.
Camber. What am I supposed to say? I don't know how to make these like extra long just for. Yosh, I saw these are all cracked. I was like, oh, I gotta take all this brakes and everything off so I can press these out. And I'm like, looking at the urethane, I'm like, this weekend I'm just gonna, right in my driveway, I'm gonna put it in my driveway. I just won't drive it for like the whole weekend. Urethane. Yeah, I'm just gonna urethane it. Dude, feel it. It's like, it says it takes 7 days to dry, but yeah, it's only been 3 days, and it's pretty, it's in there. Well, I gotta make first, well, I'm just gonna make it like pretty much like close to the same size as this one first.
So it's not really off.
Yeah, so it's not off too much. Yeah. This is reverse straight, so this one's this one. I'm not gonna touch this one. Maybe one circle. You can only go half turn. Half turns. That's about right. It has a smaller edge on the inside and a bigger edge on the outside, so we're gonna put the smaller edge facing towards the car, and I just have some newer bolts here, but smaller edge in the car.
You're just gonna leave it hanging for now.
I'm gonna let it hang for now
until I
put a toe in, yeah.
Okay, cool. Perfect. dropping in that second camber, let it hang until we get the toe in. And all CRV owners now gonna be all S1'd up.
So I like to start this side first because this is the side that the factory toe moves back and forth, and sometimes it's hard to find the nut on the other side. So I'm gonna start this one, but I'm not gonna tighten it. I'm just gonna get the bolt all the way down first. Alright, then get this on this side, and that's why I leave that loose so that you have all that movement in play. And now I just need to get this back to this side. I'm gonna put this down a little and kind of get the articulation to get the bolt back in. It's pretty tight, but you could see how the bolt just went in. You can take this whole arm down if you want to make it easier on yourself, but I just, you know, try to do as little.
So now we're gonna hook this one up.
Yeah, I'm gonna tighten this one a lot first. Putting the center bolts back in. Center bushings, the rear trailing arm bushing bolts. Just get them started, and then I'm gonna hit them with the
nice
gun.
little looks right there. Ooh. We'll put this in, then we're gonna jump on this one. Do the same thing to the next side. Got it? Let me spin this a little bit.
I got it. Oh, wait, don't spin it.
This way.
No, don't spin it, T.
Right.
God damn.
Alright, don't spin it. What happened, bro? What happened?
So, like,
what happened? What happened? Adjustments. Check it out, guys. Alright guys, check it out. We got the camber install. We got the toe install on both sides. Pretty nice. CRV owners. So this is on the first gen. We don't know if it works on the second gen too, but we're doing it. So we're gonna be putting up the all-wheel drive kit soon. That's in another video. But we thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and look at mine. Look at mine. Just look at her.
All-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all-wheel drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant.